Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. In this video, we are going to see a simple process on how you can get different applications on your desktop. And even if you want to see this recycle bin and different options that you can't see otherwise, how can we do that? So it's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. Some of the applications need to be created shortcuts manually and some you can enable it from this desktop settings. So let's see the process. Now, if you're wondering that how can you get these icons that is by default available in Windows. So for example, if you only have the recycle bin and you want this PC to be entered here, it's very simple. What you can do is just go to the start menu and just write settings here. Just open up that settings, and here on the left corner, you will see this personalization option. Just go in here and scroll down until you see this themes option. Now, when you see this themes option, again, just scroll a little bit down and you will get to this option which says desktop icon settings. Just go in here and you can see when you install Windows for the first time, you only get the recycle bin, and you might be wondering how you can get this PC option directly without needing to create a shortcut for that. So this is how you do it. You can add the computer, you can add the network and other icons, whatever you like. So after that, just click on apply and OK and close out of here. And then you should be able to see your new icons, which is this PC and network. Now, if you want to create the desktop shortcuts for different applications that you installed externally on your PC or on your laptop, it's also very simple. Just go to the start menu right here. And if you can't see your apps right at the top, you can click on this all option right here. Just click here and you will find all the applications here. So for example, I want this Microsoft Access here on the desktop. So it's very simple. Just hold and just drag and drop directly to the desktop and it should create a shortcut right away. So just follow the same procedure, whatever you want on your desktop. For example, I want this Express VPN, and there you go, guys. This is the simple procedure on how you can get the applications on your PC directly on the desktop screen. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, just subscribe to our channel for all the informative videos out here, and I'll see you in the next one.